Hello and welcome. We are finally on the last section. So section 5 is a 13-row section in which we will finalize the project. So definitely excited to get started. We'll finish it off at the end of the month. I know February was a bit of an even month. We could split it out a little bit more. Um, but definitely want to check in on everybody, see how it's going, where we're at. And see kind of timing wise if this was a good speed. We need to speed up, slow down, have other options, let me know. So what I wanted to go ahead and do is I'll pull up the progress tracker so we can kind of see the start of the section, see how we're color coordinating these and go from there. So have this pulled up. We're going to go ahead and attach the yarn. Added a little too much. All right, so it looks like we're going to start this with the dark pink. Try to make this visible with progress tracker. So we're going to kind of invert the colors that we had from the previous row. Do 6 dark pink, 1 peach, and then 6 of the dark pink. Six. Swap over. The next section, we're going to do the 12 of the peach, 1 dark pink, and then 12 of the peach. So technically, the pattern should be inverted here, except I made a mistake and put light pink instead of peach for mine, but that is okay. All right, we're gonna grab pink. Three more. All right, so we have that done on the first 2 blocks. All right, so similar to the first row, we're gonna continue with the light peach into the next block. And so what that does is it'll kind of look a little blended. This is correct. So we're going to do 6 additional, so 18 in total for this line of peach. Go to 1 of the light pink, and we're going to do 6 of the peach to finish this small block. And instead of switching colors, we're going to do additional 12, so 18 in total for the next block. We'll do 1 dark pink. And then 12 of the light peach. So this first bit is going to feel like there's going to be a ton of peach, which is normal. Let's scroll the progress tracker. So now we're going to get into 6 of the dark pink. One light pink. And then 6 red. And then we'll swap over to the light pink for the next block. Okay. So the second portion is going to be swapping or inverting the colors of the red and the light pink, as you can see. And then the final block will have 6 red, 1 light pink, and then 6 dark pink. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll finish this row, so row 77, 78, and 79 today. I'll show you my progress. Definitely feel free to show me yours. I want to see where everyone's at, see where everyone's speed, motivation is on this project. Hope to see you in the comments, and we'll go from there. Thank you.